Everything you're watching right now is 4K footage generated by Seedance 2.0 using 3 completely different types of references. The character came from a single image, the camera movement came from a separate video, and the rhythm came from an audio file. Normally, combining all these together would require multiple tools, multiple generations, and a lot of manual work. But for this project, everything was created inside
Byte Plus Seedance 2.0.
the brand new 4K output just released. The visual quality could meet the professional standards for commercial work completely.
So let's go get it!
For this test, I wanted to create a short cinematic commercial scene. Instead of starting directly with video generation,
I opened Byte Plus Console. You can understand it as the official API portal for ByteDance's Seed series models. One thing I like most is the extremely transparent pricing. It's fully usage-based billing, so there's no worry about getting overcharged. You can also experience the latest Seedance models as soon as they launch. Okay, so now, find the Seedream 5 Lite model and click Activate to enable it. Next, turn on this checkbox and click Confirm Activation and Authorization. As you can see, the model has now been activated successfully.
inside Seedream, I generated the main visual for my project. In this case, I created a clean cinematic character image that would become the foundation of the entire video. Now for video generation, there's no need to switch to another tool. Go back to the model activation section and find the Seedance 2.0 model. Just like before, click Activate. If the checkbox is turned off, enable it and then click Confirm Activation and Authorization. As you can see, this model has also been activated successfully. Now I'll open Seedance. Inside Seedance 2.0 API, I opened Omni Reference mode. This is the feature that makes the workflow much more practical. I can provide real references to guide the generation. For this example, I uploaded 3 different assets. First, the image generated in Seedream. Second, a short video that contains the type of camera movement I want. And third, an audio track that contains the rhythm and atmosphere I want the scene to follow. Once the files are uploaded, Seedance 2.0 API automatically makes them available as references. Now comes the interesting part. Inside the prompt box, I simply type the @ symbol. Immediately, all uploaded references become available. For example, I can tell it to use @image1 as the main visual reference, use @video1 as the camera movement reference, and use @audio1 as the rhythm reference for the scene. That gives the model much more information than a normal prompt-only workflow. After setting up the references, I wrote a simple instruction and started the generation. A few moments later, Seedance 2.0 API produced the first version of the shot. And this is where I started noticing the biggest difference. Normally, when using traditional AI video workflows, if something is wrong, you often need to start over. You rewrite prompts, you generate again, you spend more credits, and you repeat the process until something works. But because Seedance 2.0 API already understands the image, the motion reference, and the audio reference, the results feel much more directed from the beginning. The camera movement follows the reference more naturally, the visual style remains more consistent, and the overall scene feels much closer to the original idea. After generating the first shot, I wanted to make the sequence longer. Instead of creating a completely new scene, I used the extension workflow. This allowed me to continue the video while maintaining the same visual direction and overall consistency. As you can see, the model did a great job analyzing the image, recognizing the character, and generating a very impressive cinematic scene. For creators who have full control and a repeatable node-based workflow, you can run the exact same model directly inside ComfyUI through the API. Let me walk you through how I set this up. First, I open the Byte Plus Modeler console where Seedance 2.0 is fully available. Inside the console, under Configure, I created a new API key. This is the credential that lets any external tool talk to the model. Then I went to Model Activation, opened the Media tab and made sure Dream in our Seedance 2.0 was activated and ready to use. Now I have everything needed to connect an external tool to the model. Inside ComfyUI, I opened the Nodes Manager, searched for the Seedance integration and installed it. After a quick restart, the new nodes were ready. Then I added the Seedance 2.0 reference to video node. This is where the workflow becomes powerful. The node has separate inputs for image, video, and audio references exactly like the almighty reference system, plus controls for resolution, aspect ratio, duration, and audio generation. I connected my references, wrote a prompt describing the scene, and ran the workflow. A few moments later, Seedance generated the video directly inside ComfyUI, no browser, no manual clicking, just a repeatable node graph. Because it's node-based, the workflow can be saved, reused, and automated. Why would anyone use this tool? Let's take a quick look at what I did in this video. First of all, I activated the API. I started with a visual in Seedream, I moved into Seedance 2.0 API, I uploaded image, video and audio references, I connected them using the @ reference system, I generated the video, I extended the result, and I ended up with a much more controlled final output than I would normally get from a prompt-only workflow. Compared to traditional methods, this process isn't just faster, it's actually more stable and much easier to repeat for future projects and reliable enough to build a business on. With Seedance 2.0 API, I can build the image, references, motion direction, and final video workflow around a much more controllable process. For creators, this means cutting production time by 80% and taking on more projects. It supports batch generation so you can create hundreds of videos at once without tedious one-by-one clicking. It guarantees zero queuing with instant rendering even for urgent commercial projects, so you never have to wait in global queues. It integrates seamlessly with N8N and Make AI so you can build fully automatic trigger-based pipelines. It offers pay-as-you-go pricing, making it far more cost-effective than fixed subscriptions for high-volume projects. Before Seedance 2.0 API, a 50-video client project took me 5 full work days to complete. Now I finished the exact same project in 8 hours. That's 15 times faster delivery. For commercial projects, product ads, storytelling videos, and social media content, this becomes extremely useful because continuity is often one of the biggest challenges in AI video generation. If you'd like to use the exact workflow shown in this video, I've included my director-level workflow blueprint in the description and pinned comment. You'll also find the official Seedance 2.0 API purchase link there. You can download the blueprint, activate your Seedance 2.0 API resource package, create video workflows, client projects, content pipelines, or AI-powered video products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.